figure below shows two wheels with centers A and B. So see, two wheels A and B. Okay, and then they say that A and B are 454 cm apart, starting from the center. Each wheels have a radius of 7 cm. Okay, so 7 cm, but it's not indicated here, right? So I'm going to indicate. So from here to here, it will be 7 cm. Always remember to indicate. The wheel with center B starts to turn around the straight line XY towards the wheel with center A, which does not move. So this one will turn and turn and turn and turn and turn until it touches A. They say how many complete revolution must the wheel with center B make before it touches the other wheel with center A. Visualize it. This one with a radius of 7 will turn and turn and turn and turn and turn and turn, and then it will touch A over here. When it touches A, we have to calculate that A itself also have a radius of 7 cm. Okay, which means that the distance moved by B will not be 454. It will be 454 minus this 7, because your B cannot just like touch A and then hit the center of A. No, it will just touch the surface of A, correct? So you need to discount this 7 cm, which means that the total distance moved will be from here all the way to here. Okay, so remember, a lot of students, they always make this mistake because it's illogical, and they never think about it. So if we take 454 minus 7, that will give us 447. So the wheel need to turn 447. So how many complete revolution? One complete revolution, right, means one full circumference. Can we find the circumference of B first? Now, remember I told you the shorthand for circumference, right, is this, right? Okay, so I'm going to constantly use this, which is a circle, a dot, and a CE. So circumference of B, which honestly is the same as A, so don't have to worry. So the circumference, if you all can remember the formula, is pi times D. Okay, and take pi between 2 over 7. Which means that between 2 over 7 multiplied by radius given is 7, therefore diameter is 2 times the radius, which is 14. It's 14. So 22 over 7 times 14, this one will be 44. Why do I not need to use calculator, right? It's because here I can simplify. This one divided by 7 will be 1. This one divided by 7 will be 2. 2 times 22 will be 44, so therefore it's 44 cm. So how many 44 cm must it turn before it touches A? Okay, so you take 447 cm. So number of revolution will be 447 divided by 44. Okay, so 447 divided by 44, that will give us around 10.16 revolution before it touches A over here. I think originally with 4.4 divided by... Okay, so how many complete revolution must the wheel with center B make before it touches the other wheel with center A? So now they're asking for complete revolution, which is a bit weird. So actually, you'll be getting a decimal. They must make 10.16 complete revolution. I think there's something wrong with the grammar over here. I don't think it's complete revolutions, because if you make 10 complete revolution, it has not touched B yet. If you make 11 complete revolution, it would have crashed into A. So for this one, I think there's some grammatical error, but don't worry. This one I'm just teaching you the concept. So the concept of it, right, from here rolling all the way until here, okay, would actually be, oh no, wait. I forget to account something. Because when B touches A, right, this will be B, which means that there will be another 7 cm. See, there's another 7 cm, right? So sorry, I did not account for that. So which means that your B will start from here and then end over here. It will not end here and it will not end here. It will end over here. Okay, so let's try again. From here to here, it will be 454 minus 7, because there are two sets of 7, right? Minus 7 minus 7. And that will give us 440. Oh, okay, just nice then. Because each complete revolution is 44 cm. So if you take 440 divided by 44, this one will be 10 revolution. Okay, so it will take a total of 10 revolution. Okay, see, even the tutor will get it wrong. So for yourself, right, if what I can get wrong, you're most likely or not, you can also get wrong as well. So learn from my mistake. I do not mind showing you all my mistake during my video. Okay, there's nothing wrong with making a mistake. As long as you rectify it, you'll be perfectly fine. So don't be too stressed out. It's okay. Always remember, your state of mind is more important than your brain. If you are calm, you'll be calm, relax. So bring all the way there, find the total distance that the bee will have to move, then divide by the circumference of each of them, and you'll find the number of revolution. In this case, it'll be 10. Alright, done.